Let me ask you something. When was the last time you updated your resume or your LinkedIn profile? If you're like most people, it's probably been a while. And if you're switching careers, your current profile might not be telling the right story. Here's the thing. Your resume and LinkedIn aren't just documents. They're tools to help you stand out and get noticed, especially when you're breaking into a new field. By the end of this video, you'll know how to craft a resume and LinkedIn profile that highlight your transferable skills, position you as the perfect candidate for your new career, and make recruiters stop scrolling and start reaching out. These 3 strategies will give you the confidence to put yourself out there. Let's get started. I remember working with Anne, a sales executive who wanted to transition into nonprofit fundraising. This was something that she felt would give her purpose, something she could stand behind and feel more fulfilled in her life. When we looked at Anne's resume, it was full of sales metrics, but it didn't tell the story of how those skills could translate into raising money for a cause. When we shifted the focus to the transferable skills like relationship building and goal achievement, her resume and her LinkedIn profile suddenly made sense for the nonprofit world. Within weeks, she started landing interviews. The first step to optimizing your resume is tailoring it to your target role. Think about the skills and experiences that matter most in your new field. The goal is to show that you're not just qualified, but you're uniquely suited for the position. Start by analyzing descriptions for the roles you want and highlight keywords that keep popping up. Then incorporate those keywords into your resume, especially your summary and skills sections. For example, Anne's summary shifted from focusing on sales growth to emphasizing building partnerships and driving engagement to achieve organizational goals. That small change made a big difference. Next, don't underestimate the power of a strong LinkedIn profile. Recruiters often looked at LinkedIn before they even glance at your resume, so it's crucial to make a great first impression. Start with a professional photo and an engaging headline that reflects your new career goals. For example, Anne updated her headline to say, "Nonprofit fundraising professional, building meaningful relationships to drive impact." So use your summary to tell a compelling story about your career transition and focus on how past experiences have prepared you for this new path. And don't forget to customize your skills section to match the ones most relevant to your target industry. Finally, use real examples to prove your value. Whether it's on your resume or LinkedIn, employers want to see results. Quantify your achievements whenever possible and frame them in a way that aligns with your new career. For example, instead of saying increased sales by 20%, Anne's resume now says developed strategies that resulted in a 20% increase in revenue, demonstrating expertise in goal setting and relationship management. These results not only show what you've done, but also hint at what you can achieve in your next role. The key to both your resume and your LinkedIn profile is positioning. You're not just listing your past jobs, you're telling a story about where you've been, what you've learned, and where you're going. When you tailor your resume, optimize your LinkedIn, and showcase measurable results, you're creating a brand that speaks directly to recruiters and hiring managers in your new field. As the author Stephen Covey once said, begin with the end in mind. Picture the role you want and let that vision guide every detail of your resume and your profile. You have everything it takes to make this transition successful. You just need to present it in the right way. So take time today to update your story. Add those keywords and refine your summary. And then share those results. And remember, you've got this.